A vast expanse of night unfurls before your eyes. Under a velvet sky studded with glittering stars, the quiet world reveals its hidden symphony, a delicate interplay of shadow, light, and the gentle rhythm of life. In the darkness, a solitary figure lies in slumber, their form bathed in the soft luminescence of a glowing brain, captured in a moment of both mystery and awe. This is not a scene of stillness or death, but rather a vivid portrait of profound activity. Tonight, the narrative unfolds the story of sleep, a process long misinterpreted as an inactive pause in the pulse of living, but in truth, a stage where the mind and body perform a masterful ballet. For centuries, sleep has been mistakenly cast as a realm where life goes dormant. It was once assumed that during sleep, the body shuts down, a time when nothing substantial happens. The prevailing notion painted sleep as a global pause, a period of inactivity to recover from the day's exertions. However, as the curtain rises on this newfound understanding, we see that sleep is far from merely resting. With every blink of a closed eye, the brain awakens to a vibrant performance, orchestrating an intricate array of activities that rejuvenate both body and soul. Imagine a vast city that never truly sleeps, its streets lit intermittently by thousands of street lamps. Now replace the city with the human brain, and those street lamps with pulses of neural activity. As you settle into sleep, specific brain regions flourish in a manner akin to a nocturnal metropolis. The hippocampus and the prefrontal cortex, guardians of memory and creative thought, come alive in intricate patterns. Far from being dormant, these regions engage in extensive reorganization. Neurons fire with poetic precision, sending bursts of energy here and where silent whispers of electrical impulses ripple through networks. Deep within the silent corridors of the sleeping brain, a quiet process unfolds that is as transformative as the dawn. Here, the mechanisms of neural repair and memory consolidation perform their subtle, yet indispensable tasks. Imagine a craftsman meticulously restoring an old painting, layer by layer, rejuvenating its colors, repairing its cracks, and preserving its legacy. Similarly, sleep provides an indispensable opportunity for the brain to restore its intricate circuitry. During the various stages of sleep, the brain reactivates patterns of connectivity that have formed over the day's experiences. In one vivid instant, memories are steered into long-term storage, a transformation that imbues them with spatial and emotional detail. Beyond the pulsating dance of electrical impulses and the methodical repair of neural circuits, sleep plays host to another exquisite performance, internal to the body. A harmonious ballet of hormones. Imagine a conductor poised before an ensemble of instruments, each hormone representing a distinct timbre in a symphonic masterpiece. The architecture of sleep, with its layers of complexity and interplay of myriad processes, hints at an underlying intelligence, a design that has evolved over millennia to meet the intricate needs of living organisms. In the primal silence of the night, when the world is shrouded in quiet, sleep stands as a testament to nature's ingenuity. Close your eyes and listen, not to your racing thoughts, but to the subtle cadence of your breathing. With each inhale comes the quiet promise of renewal. With each exhale, the easing release of tension accumulated through the day. Under the spell of sleep, the body embarks on a journey that navigates through systems of neural repair, memory consolidation, and hormonal balance with an expertise that seems almost otherworldly. In the gentle darkness, quiet labors are underway. Neural pathways, like bright trails in a dense forest, reconnect, diverge, and sometimes even forge entirely new routes. The memory centers of the brain sort, sift, and file away the day's experiences, turning fleeting sensations into lasting imprints of wisdom and emotion. At times, sleep can be likened to the quiet fall of a gentle rain, where each raindrop nourishes and enlivens the parched earth below. It is a silent caretaker, tending to the intricate ecosystems within the brain and body, ensuring their optimal performance. As the night deepens, the brain's hidden mechanisms weave together a tapestry of renewal, a pattern that until recently lay hidden behind the veil of misconception. Visualize the process as a series of interconnected symphonies, neural repair operating in delicate harmonies with memory consolidation, all the while supported by the steady cadence of hormonal regulation. Each element is in perfect synchrony, contributing to a state of enhanced well-being that cannot be captured by daytime activity alone. Consider the various forces at play within this nightly ritual: the electrical symphony of neurons, the deliberate reassembly of memories, and the guided flow of hormones cruising along their invisible paths. Each force contributes to a comprehensive process of repair that is both profound and indispensable. As the horizon begins to blush with the promise of a new day, the nocturnal realm transitions, leaving behind whispers of its nocturnal symphony. The first rays of sunlight bring with them a gentle reminder. Though the mysteries of sleep may have been hidden in the shadows, they are now illuminated by our growing understanding. You stand on the threshold of this newfound wisdom, appreciating that sleep is a vibrant, active process, a continuum of restorative energy and intricate design. The glowing imagery of a resting brain, once thought to be dormant, now bursts into symbolic significance, embodying the quiet yet powerful workings of life itself. In closing, let the whisper of the night remind you: every sleep is an active celebration of life, a vibrant performance of natural artistry that rejuvenates your mind, strengthens your body, and sharpens your inner vision. Under the gentle canopy of darkness, you are not forsaken by inactivity, but instead cradled in the embrace of nature's everlasting design, a design where every moment of rest is a profound act of vitality, a quiet miracle unfolding in the depths of the night.